Today I'm going to show you the clamp insert process for the bigger Ritmo machines, which is from the 500, 630, 800 and then all the way up, how these inserts work, which is different to the smaller machines, which is in a separate video. These clamps simply just insert in like this into the machine, locate behind that clamp there, and then lock in here. We then use our bolt to lock it into place in this position, Allen key to tighten it up, and then that's locked and loaded, ready to weld. One of the things with these machines is that they are separate clamps, so they're not layered clamps one on top of the other. So this one is 630 to 400, you'd have 630 to 355 to 280 and so on. You don't put clamp upon clamp. And the big benefit with that too versus other machines is into the base of the clamp here, there's no toggle bolts or grub screws that will get dirty and dust in them, which create issues on site and cause you maintenance problems. So this takes away that whole issue with having the bolt up here to locate the clamps.